measurements are always in the description. All right, let's get these meatballs put together. So all we're gonna do is add all of our ingredients. We have breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, grated Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, and a little salt, a little black pepper. Put it all together. Everything is mingling. And you also have the oven preheating at 425. That's where we're gonna cook these at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're gonna use a tablespoon to make our meatballs. So get your tablespoon, fill it up. You can let it a little overflow as such. And I got my baking dish right here. So we're just gonna label our meatballs and make sure they're tight. Make sure they're not cracked open so they won't bust open on you. Forgive me. So let's just get them in here. Just like that. Just like that. And like I said, these boys are going in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get our sauce put together. Yeah. Fresh garlic, kosher salt, oregano, black pepper. Gotta have that kick back. Red pepper flakes. Like I say, let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Everything mixed in. Gonna throw it in one of our pans, and we just gonna put it on the stove and let that boy simmer. Yeah. We got about 10 minutes left. Let's go ahead and check our meatballs. We got them flip. Let's go ahead and finish cooking them boys on off. There they go. We'll take our meatballs. Let's just make sure all your meatballs are covered in the sauce. Got my bread split. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's take a little bit out of here. We're gonna make us a little well for our meatballs. It's gonna be our well for our meatballs. And now we finna build this delicious meatball sauce. Lay them in this well right here. Sauce. Just like that. Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella, not Parmesan, forgive me. Under the broiler oven for a couple of minutes till the cheese have melted. You can go ahead and do a little on that side too. Watch it. Grated corn cheese. like I say, under the broiler in the oven.